Lynch, Watcher of the First Light. What makes Eternum so special?
Death itself is a different creature here, and a finicky one. You've come back to life unscathed, but your crewmates and those from other ships weren't so lucky.
What happened to them?
They'll be wandering the beach as the soulless drowned now. Right thing is to try and put them back to rest. It's better if you do it.
Alright, quest number 2. Let's accept it. We've got to put our former crewmates to rest. Quest number 2. The Restless drowned. Investigate the shipwreck, defeat 3 drowned, and talk to Nora Lynch. Let's do it. Alright, 1 down. We got 11 XP for killing this guy. $12 for a level 3 guy. Of course, we're going to collect that. Alright, back to Nora. Pretty easy quest.
I know it wasn't a pleasant task, but it was the right thing. Helps protect the First Light settlement too. The drowned sometimes wander quite a ways.
Alright, quest number 2 complete. Got us up to level 3.